Hey everybody, today's Monday, start of a fresh week. I'm finna go ahead and get started on supper tonight. We eating jambalaya. I'm gonna cook some sweet potatoes for like the veggie stuff, and then I said I might cook a few pieces of fish. I'm not sure yet, y'all. If I throw it out, I might go in and fry up a couple pieces. But first thing first, I gotta clean off my stove one more time. I did it last night, but it didn't come good like I wanted it to. Just push it back. It did not come out clean like I wanted to because I didn't have a Brillo or like a sponge or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off again while I'm getting ready to prep up this stuff to go in the oven. But I do have to use my stove because I'm cooking the sweet potatoes on the stove. But first I gotta cut everything up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just got home trying to get settled. I'm gonna go ahead and put my food on. Then I'm gonna go take me a shower. So let's get started.
There's a jungle out there, you know, baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. You're just an animal in human form. There's no need.
Alright, y'all, so change plans. I gotta go ahead and cook up some Cracker Barrel macaroni and cheese and some fish because I don't even have no jambalaya. We'll have to eat the jambalaya on tomorrow.
Need to settle down, down, down. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. 'Cause there's a jungle out there, you know. And baby girl, you need to see now. Get out the cage, cut off the leash. Baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. Why be in chains when you can be free? Baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. Out in the open to the horizon, where your heart can finally breathe. Out in the open to the horizon, baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. You gotta get out there and explore, baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. You can't keep crawling back to him no more. All he does is bring you down, down, down. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. Just like a lion, you two can roar. Show him what you are. Get out the cage, cut off the leash. Baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. Why be in chains when you can be free? Baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. Out in the open to the horizon, where your heart can finally breathe. Out in the open to the horizon, baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. Na 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 eh, na 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 eh, na 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 no eh, na 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 no eh, na 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 eh, na 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 eh, na 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 no eh, na 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 no eh. You say you don't need me, but I'm the only one you call whenever you're lost. You say you got somewhere to be, but you've been here since yesterday.
Alright, so this is what I'm gonna cook too. I'm gonna cook these oven roasters, red potato wedges, and onions. The reason I'm gonna cook the ones that's in the bag is because they got the onions already in them, and I didn't buy any onions. I did buy some of the onion stuff, but I didn't buy like complete onions, like onions. So I think what I'm gonna do is
Your phone turned off. Mine's doing all the talking, but have you asked your heart? Sounds like a good place to start. Your feeling seems to be left in the dark, defeated. Quiet screaming, what if? But what if you ask your heart? Sounds like a good place to start.
everybody. Don't get it. Hey everybody, today is Thursday and I'm about to get ready and make us some club sandwiches. So they're gonna really be like po' boys. We're gonna eat po' boys and homemade french fries today. So I got these po' boy buns. They say cheesesteak buns, they the same. And I got some lettuce because they didn't have the shredded lettuce. Got us some American cheese, sliced cheese. And went to the deli and got us some ham and some turkey. So we got Black Forest ham, and then we got some oven roasted turkey. So I was gonna make like the club sandwich style, but since they cut it like this, sliced up like this, I'm just gonna put on some po' boy buns. And I also got some bacon. I gotta take it out, throw it out. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my potatoes because we're gonna do homemade french fries and the po' boys.
All I want for somebody to see me. Yeah, yeah. Anyone with two eyes will do just fine, 'cause I'm reckless. It's getting kinda desperate. Can't help but feeling helpless when it comes to love. Don't know who I am without someone by my side, and why. I don't care about what they like. Honestly, it's hard to be so easily attached. I look into a crowd and love whoever's looking back. Always got my heart on sale, my body's like an outlet, never mind my words. Honestly, it's hard to be so easily attached. I fall just like that. I'm too good for my own good. Yeah, yeah, I'll be there in a minute. Even though it took an hour for you to even answer. I'm losing all my power, but who's keeping score? Don't know who I am without someone by my side, and why. I don't care about what they like. Honestly, it's hard to be so easily attached. I look into a crowd and love whoever's looking back. Always got my heart on sale, my body's like an outlet, never mind my words. Honestly, it's hard to be so easily attached. I fall just like that. Fall just like that. Honestly, it's hard to be so easily attached. I look into a crowd and love whoever's looking back. Always got my heart on sale, my body's like an outlet, never mind my words. Honestly, it's hard to be so easily attached. I fall just like that. Fall just like that.
What's up, y'all? Today is Friday, the end of the week for me. And also, I won't be going back to work Tuesday because I got a doctor's appointment Monday. So I'm not going to be going back until Tuesday. What I'm going to do right now, y'all, is replait some of these plaits, like the base part of my hair. Like probably going to be all of this part, all of this right here. Just kind of redo it, refreshing it up so it can look touched up. Good job, girl.
밤이 오면 항상 turn the lights out. Tell me where you want it. Baby, you're the one I wanna know about. We can fall in slow.
And y'all really don't feel like doing this, but y'all see the edges are getting old and crusty. Too many edges be out. Since I'm natural, I feel like my hair, my new growth is coming up real fast. And so I'm just gonna tackle this hair. Because I got a lot to do tomorrow and I just want my hair to be fresh. At least it look a little bit fresh.
Yeah, we don't need to do the talking. Get into it, baby, softly. Yeah, 매일 on and on, 계속 보는 널. Baby, come and show me. Take my heart. I never thought I could love this hard. Oh, I can't get enough. You got me feeling like. You got me singing like. I love it when you do it like that. When you walk out wearing nothing but. I love it when we do it like that. You know that I'm right there, want you to. You make it look so easy like that. Then you try out my attention like. Just thinking how you make me go on and on and on and on, yeah, yeah. 낮이 되면 잠깐, come on outside. Tell me when you want it. Baby, you don't need to know my whereabouts.
Hot. It's hot. Our lights that went off. It's hot. Our lights that went off. I'm trying to get this hair done. This is as far as I made it. It's 6 o'clock right now. I started at 4:30. So I still got a little ways to go. Not many, but I'm taking my time. Cause I ain't no rush. I'm hungry, but I ain't gonna be able to eat this anyway because we all electric. Once I finish these braids up, I'm gonna curl the ends. I know I had them straight, but I'm gonna braid them down and I'm gonna dip them in some hot water and it's gonna be curly. And I might wear it down, might not. I'm not sure yet, but I'll show y'all once I'm totally done.
I don't get too lonely, yeah. We don't need to keep affording. Look at me, just baby, I do 매일 on and on, 계속 on and on. Baby, come and show me, yeah. My heart, I never thought.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a couple days since I've been on here. Kennedy want to say hey in the background, Cash, and then Nova's on this side. They all eat tacos. They eat meat. They're not eating tacos, so we're not even gonna say tacos because they're just eating meat. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and vlog today, and then I'm gonna end it off today, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to upload tomorrow so I can have this video up for y'all. Because I have been vlogging, but I haven't been on here, so I just stopped completely. I mean, a taco salad with some goodies in there, a whole lot of goodies. Then I had promised the kids yesterday that I was gonna get them some snowballs. So once they make it in today, we're gonna go ahead and get those. And I'm also making the kids some candy apples to take to their teacher for a teacher appreciation week this week. So I'm just gonna do some candy apples, something quick and inexpensive, because I have a lot of kids and they have a lot of teachers. So I'm just gonna make some candy apples and send them with them to school. So I'm dipping them right now so they can go ahead and sit like towards the night. I'm gonna try to dip them before 8 o'clock or somewhere near 8 o'clock. I won't be up all night dipping them, but I should be able to dip them all with my one dip. I hope. That's what I'm hoping for, because they're not too big, so it shouldn't take too much dip to dip these. And it's about 10, but they, like I said, they are smaller. So whatever we end up with, that's what we're gonna end up with. I'm not gonna make 2 batches because that's gonna be too much. So, and I really don't like to use my stove to dip these apples with because the mix be messing up my stove and it's kind of hard to clean. So when I used to do these, I used to have the other kind of stove. I didn't have the smooth top, so it was easier. But now that I got this kind of the top like this, it's a little bit harder to clean. So I really didn't want to make them, but I'm gonna go ahead and make them so they can have something to get to the teachers. But I'm gonna take y'all along with this. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my taco salad and wait on the other kids to come. Then we're gonna go get some snowballs, and then it's supposed to rain. It's supposed to start storming today, so hopefully it don't. I don't know. It was looking kind of cloudy outside. I got another freaking bump on my face. So aggravating. I'm gonna get one of Ava little pimple patchy things she be using and put it on there. But I got some clothes in the wash. I gotta dry them. They some towels, and yeah, that's it. Pretty much it. Did not get to make the candy apples last night, so I had to go home today and make those for the kids' teachers. The lights was blinking off on last night. The weather got real bad, so I decided not to make those, but they can sit. So I'm gonna make them when I get out today. And the longer they sit, the better they be, because the sap can come off of them real well, so they'll be even better. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog, and I'm just gonna go ahead and upload it today so y'all can see it, and I hope that y'all enjoy it.